Good morning, my dear students. Today we will going to learn about geography fourth chapter, that is called climate. Okay, so let's start. General weather condition over a period of 30 years period is said to be the climate of a place. Okay, general weather condition over a period of 30 years period is said to be the climate of a place. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Okay, what is weather? Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Okay, temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, and precipitation are elements of the weather and climate. Okay, what are they? What are the elements of the climate? Temperature, atmosphere pressure, wind, humidity, and precipitation are the elements of the weather and climate. Generalized monthly atmospheric condition determine the basis on which the year is divided into the seasons. First is summer, winter, and rainy. Okay, the month is generalized atmosphere condition that determine the basic on which year is divided into season or seasons. They are summer, winter, and rainy. Okay, India has a monsoon type of climate. India has a monsoon type of climate. Okay, monsoon is basically a seasonal reversal in the wind through the year. Okay, this monsoon is basically a seasonal reversal monsoon, okay, in the wind through the year. There is huge difference in temperature from one region to another. Okay, there is a huge difference between the temperature from one region to another. From a precipitation, its amount and distribution also differ from one part of India to another. As you can see here, from of the precipitation, its amount of distribution also different from or differ from one part to another in India. Getting coastal areas observe lesser difference in temperature condition. It is the interior of India that experience temperature contrast. Okay, decreasing in rainfall is seen from east to west in the northern plains. Okay, the decreasing in rainfall is seen from east to west in the northern plains. All these influences diversity is professions, food, dress, and houses of people. You can see the diversity in profession, food, dress, and houses of the people because of this climate change. Getting? Now let's see the climate control. Climatic control. What is climatic control? The interplay of altitude, latitude, distance from the sea, pressure and wind system, ocean current, and relief features determine climate condition of a place. Getting? The interplay of latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, pressure and wind status system, ocean currents, and relief features determine climate condition of a place. Okay, this is about the climatic controls. Now let's see about the factors affecting India's climate. Latitude, altitude, and pressure and winds affect Indian climate. As you can see here, that latitude, altitude, and pressure and winds, they affect the Indian climate. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country from the Rann of Kutch to Mizoram. We can see here the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country from the Rann of Kutch to Mizoram. Okay, air temperature generally decreases from equator to poles. You know about this very well, that how it works. The air temperature, how it generally decreases from equator to poles. We already learned about this in previous classes, right? Temperature and air pressure decreases as one moves from surface of the earth to higher altitude. As you know that the temperature and the air pressure decreases as one moves from surface of the earth to higher altitude. Okay. The Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the subcontinent. As you can see here that Himalayas, they prevent the cold winds from Central Asia to entering the subcontinent. The climate and associated weather conditions in India are governed by various atmospheric conditions, namely pressure and surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and tropical cyclone. Okay, these are the some condition or atmospheric condition, namely which affect the Indian climate. They are your pressure and surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and your tropical cyclone. Okay, the sea extract a moderating influence on climate. As you can see here, the sea that extract a moderating influence on the climate. People far away from sea experience extreme weather condition. Okay, this is known as continentality. Okay, what is that? People, those who are living far away from the sea, they experience extreme weather conditions. Okay, and this is known as your continentality. Okay, oceans currents also affect the climate of the coastal areas. If you will observe that the ocean currents, they also affect the climate of the coastal areas. An apparent force caused by the earth rotation in the Coriolis force. You can see that an apparent force caused by the earth rotation is the Coriolis force. Okay, the wind direction changes as per the season. The wind direction, it changes as per the season. Okay, they are from northeast to southwest in winter, whereas completely reverse in summer, bringing moisture. The wind that change direction as per the season, how they are from northeast to southwest, and in winter it change completely reverse in summer, bringing your moisture. Okay, jet streams are narrow belts of high altitude above 12,000 meter westerly winds in the troposphere. Okay, the western cyclonic disturbance are weather phenomena of the winter months brought in by the westerly flows from the Mediterranean region. Okay, this is about your high altitude or factors affecting Indian climate. Okay, so here we are going to conclude today. Okay, in next class we will going to see about the Indian monsoon. Okay.